The right install is one of the most important things because you need to make sure that if there's a problem down the road, you've got someone to call on to come back and help you out. There's a lot of customers out there that are orphaned, and by that we mean their solar company that installed their system has gone broke. In fact, more than 2/3 of them have. So we get calls all the time for people wanting us to go and repair their system because the company isn't around. We're not really happy doing that, to be honest. Our whole ethos is about installing systems that don't require any maintenance. We don't want to come back and see you in a few years fixing things. So we use highly efficient products and systems that are built to last. A solar system isn't a plug and play thing like installing a microwave oven. A solar system requires a lot of technical knowledge on how to install it. There's a lot of tricks and tips that we pick up along the way. And using a contractor isn't always going to guarantee that. We've got full control over our guys. We have regular training sessions amongst ourselves, so we're all learning from each other, as well as learning from industry bodies and manufacturers come in and train us. So finding the right install team is paramount. What a homeowner should look for, number one, is does the company that you're buying your system from have employed electricians that are working for them? Or is it a sales company? A lot of people go down the road of being fooled on price and utilising a company that is a sales company that subcontract out all of their installations. So we don't do that. We have got a team of electricians and a team of roofers that install the systems for us. Ensuring the job goes smoothly, ensuring the after sales and the technical support that's required with this industry is handled in a correct way. So we just don't get negative results because we do a good job in the first place.